that, hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a small haul to share. You're going to notice that things are already out of this packaging because this is my second time doing this. The first time I did it, I didn't realize till I was about to upload everything that I had the wrong orientation. So the whole video was sideways. So this is take number two. So just the good thing about it is you don't have to hear me rustling paper. All right, so I bought a couple of things from Studio Calico. This was a stamp set, just extra. It wasn't part of the kit or anything, but I really liked it. I thought it was really useful because I have a lot to document about the COVID and the resurgence of COVID and all that. So this was very timely. So I picked this one up. And then this is my monthly kit from Studio Calico. It's the stamp set kit. And usually, sometimes, the stamp set kit it's okay, or it's just, all right, or whatever. But this one, I really, really like. I think they hit this one out of the park. So I'm really happy about this one. And the Traveler's Notebook kit, there's not a single element that I either don't like or am indifferent about. I really like every single element, and that is rare. So this is the stamp set. I thought this stamp set is really cute. Really like it. You can make your own tickets. I really like this one. So I thought I would share that. And then we have some ephemera pieces. Thought this was really cute. So you got this little bitty, looks like a postage stamp. And then you got some tickets. Really nice. And I hate that summer is almost over, but I think of it as being almost over because my son goes back to school in a couple of weeks. And for me, I know that's not the end of summer, but for me, that's the end of summer, if that makes sense. All right. So, and then this sticker sheet, it's super cute. I really like this sticker sheet. Like I said, a lot of times the sticker sheet is just, but I like this one a lot. And then we got some labels, and then this. I love this. So this is one of those where you can make your own, like a photo strip. All right, and then useful alphas, and then this Traveler's Notebook is really cute. Now it's all about like hiking and adventure and all that kind of stuff, but I think adventure could be anything. It doesn't have to be something physical. I think you could go on different kinds of adventures. So, and then you can always cover up something you don't need. But I like the prompts in this one. And I like Studio Calico gives you prompts. And very cute. And really like that one. You could do a lot with that. You could stamp a lot on that. Really like that one. All right, and that's the kit. And then I have my Ellie Edwards kit. This video is going to be a little bit faster because everything is already open. So this is the stamp set. I already put it in one of my stamp envelopes. And then The cards, all her cards are one-sided. I like that one a lot. I think this one's interesting. Thought this could be different things right here. Really like that one. And these. So this is the little mini kit. I forget what she calls it. Mini story or something. Alright. And so that is that little kit. And this stamp set is just okay to me, but I'm wondering, I'm gonna have to watch to see what she does with this, because I'm wondering if this is supposed to be like a lemon or something. But anyway, all right, that's all I had to share today. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.